Hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a good day. Today I'm going to open up an MRE and we're going to look inside of it and I'm going to eat it. This is cheese tortellini and tomato sauce. This is a vegetarian meal. So let's open it up and see what's in it, shall we? Alright. So we have First Strike Nutrition Energy Bars. Now these right here are real good energy bars. They taste good. I like them. My favorite thing though is the shortbread cookies. You really don't see much anymore. We also have some chiclets gum, some iodized salt, some napkins, a beverage, and a moist palette. We also have in here some Reese's Pieces. They're starting to get fancy. They need this stuff. They need stuff like this. We have Reese's Pieces. Of course, I have our spoon. We have peanut butter. Now, sometimes you get a cheese sauce, which I like the cheese sauce. And we have crackers. And we have a what's this say here? Diced pears and heavy syrup. The fruits are real good. I like the fruits. We have the heater, which I will not be using today, but you put water in that. It starts at the heating. You put your foods down in there, and it heats them up. And we have the cheese tortellini and tomato sauce. I'll be saving this for later. I save stuff like this. And of course these are your crackers. Just normal crackers. They're big though. And like I said, your peanut butter. I like it when they have the jelly in them too. The jelly, the cheese, pretty good. Of course, the peanut butter. Like I said, Reese's Pieces. And a First Strike energy bar, chocolate flavored. So let's tear open these cheese tortellinis. You know, I think I'm going to use the heating pouch to show you how it works. Cheese, tort, and tomato sauce. So we get our pouch. As directions say, bag, MRE pouch, heater, and lines. And some purified water. I'll be right back. So I've got the tortellini out there heating up in the pouch. And next I'm going to heat these pears up, these diced pears in heavy syrup. I kind of like them a little warm, so I'll heat them up and eat them too. So when those get done, I'll bring them in and show them to you. Of course, they'll be steaming, and then I'll put these in their place. I'll be right back. So I went out there. I decided to put the pears in with the tortellini, and it's pretty warm. I'm gonna pull the tortellini out. We're gonna eat. Here we are. I've got the tortellini. It's quite warm. Let's open it up. Not bad looking. Not bad looking at all. And let's try some. Not that bad. It would be better if it was warm. I've not had the tortellini before. There's a whole one. It could be a little bit more moist. The chocolate flavor First Strike nutritious energy bar. You've got to get the First Strike in battle. That's just all they are to it. So opening it up. It's definitely chocolatey. It is almost looks like a brownie on the inside. Nice chewy. That's got a weird taste. I don't know if it's from the chocolate, what it's made out of, or what, but it's good though. I mean, it's got a lot of cocoa. I don't know. It's got dried fruit. Okay, plums, dates. It's got corn syrup. There you go. So it's just a mixture of stuff. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, guys, we're going to go get the pears, and I'll be right back. All right, we went and got the pears. Here they are. So let's tear them open and test them. Here's the pear. It's more like an applesauce type stuff. Type texture, I should say. So let's try this. Very good. I've had the apple and stuff, but never the pear. And I really like this. And of course, you know, I have the crackers and I have the peanut butter left, but I'm not going to eat them right now. I'm going to, I am going to enjoy these Reese's Pieces here in a few minutes. Off camera, it's just a bag of Reese's Pieces. So, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to see more of these MRE videos, me opening different ones and eating them, let me know. And if you like it, I will do more. Thanks for watching and have a good day.